Hey there! Did you know there's a tiny rebellion happening inside our bodies every single day? Most of the time it's harmless, or our body handles it without us even noticing. But sometimes, one rogue cell starts a rebellion, and that's how cancer begins. Today, I'm breaking down the fascinating and complex story of cancer, how a perfectly healthy body can betray itself. Let's start with a fact. Your body is a cellular symphony. Trillions of cells work together, dividing and multiplying in perfect harmony to grow, repair, and keep you alive. It's like the ultimate choreographed dance, precise, controlled, and efficient. But sometimes mistakes happen. When a cell divides, it copies its DNA, which is like the instruction manual for how your body works. Every now and then, a typo sneaks into that manual, and most of the time, our body's repair team fixes it. But what if they miss something? This is where things take a turn. If the damaged DNA affects the genes that control cell growth and repair, think of these as the body's stop-and-go signals. The cell begins to ignore the rules. It keeps dividing, even when it shouldn't. Now, picture this. A cell with faulty DNA grows and divides wildly, forming a little cluster of misfit cells. This is the beginning of a tumor. These cells don't follow the same rules as their healthy counterparts. They don't specialize, and they don't stop multiplying. It's chaos, where there should be order. At this point, the tumor might stay localized, sitting quietly in one spot. But here's the twist. Some of these rogue cells can break free. They hitch a ride through the bloodstream or lymphatic system, traveling to other parts of the body. This process is called metastasis, and it's what makes cancer so challenging to treat. But here's the thing. Understanding how cancer starts is a crucial step towards stopping it. Science is unraveling these mysteries every day, bringing us closer to new treatments and ultimately, hope. So what do you think? What questions do you have about this cellular rebellion? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this fascinating, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more science stories. Stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.